Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be talking about how much YouTube paid one of my favorite creators for hitting 10 million views on his channel. This creator is called Ali Abdaal, and for those who don't know who he is, Ali Abdaal is a YouTuber who makes videos about topics ranging from productivity to personal development. He currently have over 3.5 million subscribers. Check out his channel, he have a lot of videos there, link in the description. Alright, a quick disclaimer, I did not forge all this information I'm about to share with you right now. Ali himself made a video breaking down how much he earned from his top 4 performing videos that had over 10 million views combined. So let's start with the first one. This is the highest performing videos he has ever made, which has had 9.8 million views and had generated a revenue of $191,258. This video continues to get him more views. The second highest performing videos on his channel is this one, How to Invest for Beginners. This video has had 5.2 million views and it generated $87,200, making the total earnings of the two videos $278,458. The third highest performing videos on the channel is How to Build Websites in 2022. This video has had 866,000 views and it has generated $42,132. When you look at the RPM, the revenue per 1,000 views is $48.68, which is absolutely insane. It is by far the highest RPM on his channel. Let's move to the fourth video, which is about how he typed really fast. That video had 8.2 million views and it generated $25,146 in AdSense revenue. Alright, I'm done with the videos and he managed to earn $345,733 in total. This is an insane amount of money. I didn't say you can earn this amount of money when you start making YouTube videos, because it took him 5 years to build it, so you have to work very hard. Alright, that's it for this video. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos like this one and check out Ali's channel, link in the description. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye.